All right, party people, just giving you an update. Finally on the roof. I know I haven't been given much of a step-by-step or how I'm doing things. I am just stretched for time. I need to get this roof on, at least my sheeting on by Saturday, because the following week we are supposed to get horrible rain, so I'll get my sheeting on. I've got a big tarp to put over this, and I'm just going to cover this baby up probably till March, and then I'll come back and put my metal on. This is the way I've decided to do it. I believe these are stringers. My raft, I felt like doing stringers and then putting sheeting on, and then I'll put my ice barrier, whatever they call it, on top of this, and then I'll put my metal roofing right on this. As well, as you can see, I have done some zip tape on the seams already, because we are supposed to get rain every other day now, and then like I said, next week it's supposed to freeze, so I'm just doing it as an ounce of prevention as I go. You know, like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. You know, I've never done anything on this scale. I probably should have built a 10 by 10 shed, but if you're gonna do something, man, just do it. Learn all you can as you go. Ask questions. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've watched a million videos of the ladies and gentlemen building cabins in Alaska. A lot of them do it like this. You know, when I get this done, I'll go up underneath and I'll use spray foam everywhere. There's a ton of mistakes on this. This roof, I'm not saying on the roof, I'm saying, you know, I've made mistakes altogether. And I'm sure there's mistakes on this roof. And this roof is the most intimidating thing for me. This roof should have already been done. I should have got my roof on before I did any siding. But I'm gonna be honest with you, this roof, very intimidating, because I know how important it is to get this thing right and to get it sealed. You know, it's gonna bother me. You know, I might wait until after spring to even put a ceiling up once we go through our second rainy season, because this has to be the wettest winter we've had in 5 years. Just to see if I have leaks, see what I need to do. I am worried that it's going to leak, but I'm doing my best to prevent that. But you know, I just want to say, just try something. You might fail, but you know what? At least you're trying, you're learning. It takes more courage to do something and fail than it does just to not even do anything. The courageous ones are the ones that try and fail. The difference between a winner and a loser is a winner who did not stop after the first time they lost. And I'm going to tell you a story, and you probably haven't even made it this far in the video. My best friend, we've been friends since we were 12. We've been friends for 30-something years. I played basketball with that guy every day. We probably played 1,000 games of basketball, but I beat him one time. And that was and I will never let him live that down, ever. You know, I was 1 win, 999 losses, but I never gave up. He was the best basketball player that I knew in the county that we grew up in, and playing him in basketball every day, you know what it did for me? It made me a better ice hockey player. I don't know how that relates, but it made me a hockey player. Better hockey player, playing against the best. Just get out and try. Just do something. You're gonna fail. The best fail. I'm old school. Michael Jordan, greatest basketball player ever. He failed. Brett Hall, my most favorite hockey player, great hockey player, he failed. Wayne Gretzky, great hockey player, he failed. Fuzzy Zeller was a great golfer, he failed. Everyone that's ever been great has failed. But you know what? They never stopped. The people that don't stop and the people that don't give up, those are the ones that succeed. Those are the ones that become great. Do something, learn something. Who cares what anybody has to say negative? stay positive and do things. And thank you. Have a great day. Happy New Year.